Dito tayo sa episode 3 rehearsal with Sophia and Coach Chad. Jazz ang aming dance style. And my God, nakasuot na kami ng shoes. May shoes na kaming suot. So, tingnan nyo naman. Ayun na, nagpo-focus na sila. Diba? Habang sila focus, ako chumichika dito. Vlog lang. Diba, Coach Chad? O, diba? Diba? As a distracted millennial, as the focused, disciplined ones, you know? How do you guys feel? Ano ang ating feeling with our number and piece so far?
May laban to.
May laban. Tsaka I'm very excited kasi first time ko mag-jazz ever here with Coach Chad and mahirap. So far mahirap siya, pero kaya naman kasi malalaban natin.
Laban natin yan.
Laban yan.
We're strong dancers.
Yes. Gawin natin worth it ang hirap na yan.
Yes.
Kayo, worth it ba kayo? Char! Worth it tong dance na to, guys. Please watch out. Episode 3.
Okay. Next. Ito, very challenging to, I think. Kasi both girls, try natin mag-lifting.
Kaya ba namin yun, Coach? Kaya?
Tingnan natin. Kaya. So,
Kaya.
yung idea ng lift is magka-cartwheel. Tapos mag-i-inversion. So, parang naka-handstand ka. Kay Sophia. So, Sophia yung magli-lift.
Okay.
Kaya naman.
52 kilos lang ako, Coach. So, kaya yan.
So, Sophia, open legs and then medyo bend. And then magka-cartwheel si Jasmine sa'yo.
Okay.
From there,
After nung ganun.
yes, from 7, 8, that's how.
pa-spot lang po.
Sige. Ready? Dun,
So,
try.
saan siya kakapit?
Dito.
Sa legs
Mag-hook
niya.
dito.
Okay po.
Both
Hook
sides.
and then both sides. And then hahag mo lang siya na ganun.
Pag ganun.
Okay
Yes.
po.
Try natin. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Good. 3 and 4. Lock, yes. And then open. And then down to the other side. Very good.
Kaya?